So as you all guys know what we are going to create today, so first of all I want to show you something and which is important. So today we are going to create a LUT, and this is the image that on which we are going to create our LUT. On this video we will apply a LUT. First of all we have to open our Photoshop and open the image. uh, Now what we have to do, we have to just go to this, you can say the adjustment layer. You have to left click on it, and you can choose anything from here. I am choosing color balance, and color balance, for example, cyan, red, magenta, green, yellow, blue. So I'm taking it to cyan, what you can say it, and green plus 4, green plus 1, and um, blue 26. um, this is looking good. Okay, close it from here. Now you can see the big difference. If I will click on this I button, so what will happen, the layer, this one layer will hide. You can able to see your background layer, so you can see the big difference in both. Now what I'm taking one more layer, and one more adjustment layer, and I'm taking curves. Now you can see the big difference. Okay, it's looking good. Now close it. So um, it's completed. What I have done in it, just apply a layer, adjustment layer from here by clicking here, and I apply one color balance adjustment layer, one curve layer. For example, I want to export the LUT. I want to save this file as a LUT. So what I will do, I will go to export setting and go for color lookup tables, and here you will uh, get a option to export your own LUTs. Okay, now for example, so first of all you have to fill the description box. It's my description, you can change it also. I can name it blue and red. It's not your name, not your LUT name. You can rename it after you export it. Okay, now what you have to do, you can set your resolution, but I'm keeping it default. Okay, now what are formats are the properties of your layer. If I click on everything, so you will get everything after export in a different type of files. So what you have to do, you have to just uncheck every layer except cube. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to click OK. After clicking OK, it will ask you where to save. So I'm using USB drive G, and I'm I'm renaming it to LUT. Okay, it will take a time, and to exporting your LUT, so you have to wait. Now it's completed, so let me show you. This is your LUT here. um, this is your LUT. So what I'm going to do, I'm closing this, and I'm opening my Premiere Pro. So you have to take a new project, name it, tell it where to save. I'm also using Premiere Pro 2019. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to import your downloaded file, which I have downloaded before. So this will be my file. I will open it, import it. Just you have to drag and drop the file, the video on your timeline. After dragging it, you will find your video here on program window. It's not rendered yet. You can see the big red line here. Now how to apply LUT on how to apply custom LUT on your video project. So first of all, you will find here a window, color window. Click on it. Now what you have to do, you have to go to import LUT, or you can go to creative. You will find the option creative, or you can do you can apply a LUT from basic correction. So as you wish, but I'm applying here on from creative. So what you have to do, you have to click on look. You will find none, and you have to go to browse. Now you have to browse your LUT where you dropped it. So this is my LUT I created before. This I created this LUT in front of you. So import it. It will take a time. So here your LUT is applied on your layer. You can set the intensity. You can play with the intensity of this layer, of this LUT, sorry. And it will look so good. And you can go to basic color correction, and exposure set it 9, and contrast set it 5.6, highlights as your wish, shadows I'm setting it to 7.2. Now it's looking good. So this is the way to applying a LUT on your video file. So hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so please like this video and comment down me to produce more video like this. And what is your question, please ask in comment. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe to master everything, and don't forget to press bell icon for new update. Thanks for watching.